I'm giving alcohol to minors.
Denji, no, don't drink it. Don't drink it.
You do not vomit in Denji's mouth. Otherwise I will. Why are you breathing so heavily? Get on my face. Hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back in a second.
We have to make sure to keep Himeno off the booze.
I'm not on the. This is alcohol free.
Oi,
Where does it say that?
oi, oi, oi.
Oi.
I'm taking the booze. Home.
Hey,
Do you want a little sippy?
Please.
booze.
I'm changing.
Gentlemen, please.
私には触れないことだ。Wonder of you.
That smells really good! What did you eat? That smells amazing! If it lands on anything but one, Himeno, come here. It landed on 3!
You're in me.
I have some pancakes.
I would like a pancake. Oh my god. Thank you.
You're
I was
welcome.
so hungry.
Denji, I will now feed you this dice block.
Do it, go do it. Go do it.
Go, go, go,
Go do it.
Go, prank it. It's gonna be funny.
Store's not opening.
To have a back massage? Well, would you like one back massage?
This is giving me flashbacks to when I was 14 and she was molesting me. You know what? Screw with this. I'm turning into the gun devil in 3, 2, 1.
Where'd he go?
Where'd you go?
Where'd he go? Oh, I see him outside.
Wait,
Denji, the gun devil's outside. Go get him so you can touch Makima's titties. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is happening? He's manipulating space and time, Denji.
You tried to fuck me.
You, at least it wasn't Freddy Fazbear. Because if Freddy Fazbear, he, 19, bite of 87.
Was that the bite of 87?
I'm gonna make you give birth to a baby.
How?
If I try hard enough.
You two are freaking weird!
Come on, Denji, just give it a chance.
Don't make me pull my cord.
I'll pull your cord. Yeah, pull your
do
cord
it.
right in front of all of us. Yeah, do it right in front of all of us. Show me your cord. When she rip on my cord till I...
Where's my cord? Can you see it?
Ooh, you dirty boy.
No
I'm
thank
on
you.
my period right now, so I have a bunch of leftovers for you.
Denji, look. It's a gun fiend. I found one.
Can we keep it?
I don't think so. We should not keep this thing. It has a gun on its head.
Yeah, and you have chainsaws for arms.
On his head. It makes me want to, like...
That's not
That was amazing. I feel dizzy.
You know, only little femboys use that, right?
What makes you think that I'm a femboy?
Hey, you wanna drink this? Don't ask why it's already open. Just take a swig.
I'm not old enough. No.
Come on, what are you, a narc? Just take a sip.
I am not a narc. Just I've never drank alcohol before.
Come on, it's fun. All the adults are doing it. Oh.